Hello, everybody. What's up? What's up? What's up? As per requested, I am doing a live stream tonight. Let's let the chat load, everybody. Let's get it all set up, and then we will get into the live stream. So let's get this loading. Pulling it up on my phone. Eventually, I'll have monitors, so it'll be a lot easier to recognize and see you guys' chat. But for the meantime, I am just using my iPhone. Ooh, gotta shut the sound off. Whoops, 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 whoops. And then, yeah, we'll get it started. We'll get it started. So just waiting for some people to join in, and then we'll continue the live stream. Obviously, not looking the greatest right now in terms of the charting, but we'll discuss it. We'll go over it. We'll clear the air for everybody. Just waiting for it to all load in. Let me know who's here. Let me see who's in the chat. Yes, Biscuits for Life. You are the first person to join. Again, let's wait for a few more people to join into the live stream, and then we'll get into some TA and answer some questions. We got 10 people on. Let me know where everybody's from. If you're new to the chat, make sure to subscribe. I'm doing a giveaway at 5,000 subscribers. So if you're not subscribed, you ain't getting any merchandise for the channel. So definitely show some love in the chat right now. Let me see who's here. We have let's see, I Drive number 2, Tim Quenzel, Bring on Stability. Leroy Williams says bargain prices. DJ Bonello says, what's good, brother? Just want your thoughts on PPT. Doesn't have to be just TA. Okay, well, we'll try to get into that later on in the chat. If I forget, just remind me. If I go off tangent, which I most likely will, just remind me. But I do want to start off with going over the regular TA, and then we'll jump into that. I think let's do a 1 hour TA. How does that sound? I think that's going to be about right. We got everybody joining in. We got, let's see, DJ Bonello from Miami. iDrive is Dallas, Texas. Jay Miller says, what's up, buddy? What's up, dude? How are you? Alex Wright says, hello, glad to see you again. Jay Miller says, hope you get some news. Yeah. Mexican Charlie Lee says, I'm not selling. Just waiting for the chat to blow up. Yeah, we got 20 people on. I think that's about right. Hello, everybody. If you're new to the channel, make sure to smash that subscribe button. Let's get some likes on the video. Obviously, the more likes, the better. And then I'm going to jump right in 1 second. Let's just see. Just going to see how many likes we got so far. And then I'm going to jump in. Okay, so we got a couple. Let's see. All right, all right. So right now I'm on the coin market cap. Obviously, going to refresh this page, see what's happening. And we'll get into some TA. Let's see. Tremor says, tired of the market, but still hodling. Robert Jones says, what's up? What's up, bro? Long time no see. All right, so market just loaded in. Where current likes were smashed. I appreciate that. Everybody like the channel. Subscribe if you haven't. So current market cap, 223 bill. That's where we're at right now. One thing I noticed is from the video that I made this morning, Bitcoin dominance is kind of lower at 48.8%. Slight dip. I believe we're at like 49. So that's interesting. 24-hour volume moving up, but the reason being is because we're leaving. Money is leaving the market, which is interesting. We already got a new subscriber. I think that's a subscriber. I'm waiting to see what happens on my, there we go. Who is that? Sue Brooks subscribed. Shout out to you. I appreciate that. I have Super Chat turned on and the subscribers notification. So both of those, if you send something, both of those make sound. So sometimes I forget which sound is which. But let's see. Oh, another subscriber. Let's see who that is. Really excited. Hopefully you guys like this. I partnered with Streamlabs so that things can pop up on the screen and that you guys can kind of see what exactly is going on. Let's see. Nadeem, thank you for the subscription. I appreciate that. But let's jump in. Trying to read you guys' messages as well as do some TA. So kind of hard to do. Eventually, guys, I will be getting another monitor, so it'll make this a little bit easier to read all your comments at once. But let's see what you guys are saying. When coins go up, people are happy. When coins go down, people are sad. Very true, Randall. Robert Jones, yes, good to be back. I appreciate that. Market cap is terrible. 100% true, man. 100% true. A few people asked me to do live stream today, so I'm waiting for them to join in. I believe Dave C. asked me to do a live stream, so still waiting for him to come in, as well as Weber Wolf. He also asked me to do a live stream, so let's see when they decide to come into the live chat. Sean Collins says, LOL. Kanda Kumar says, pump up the volume, pump it up. Just pull the trigger. All right, let's see. So that's one thing that I noticed. Just to scroll down. So we do see markets are falling, you know, pretty bad news all over. We got Bitcoin down 5%, Ethereum down 5%, Ripple 8%, Bitcoin Cash down 9%. Wonder who's still holding on to Bitcoin Cash. EOS down 12.91%. That's crazy. No. Let's see. Litecoin 6.79. No. Hey man, do you teach TA? I want to learn more. Jay Miller, just pull the trigger. Jay Miller. So to touch on that, I teach my friends technical analysis, and I try by making videos to teach you guys technical analysis. I've never personally thought of doing classes to teach. I definitely could, and that is something I could do. Definitely something we have to branch upon. So if you wanted to maybe send me an email, link in the description, or maybe leave something in the live chat as to what exactly you have, it's definitely a good idea, and I would definitely try to set something up like that if more of you guys want to learn. I could definitely teach some of it for sure. Let's see. William Hardman says, where's the money going? What is next? Well, you should. I'd be interested. Thank you. I appreciate that, Jim Miller. I'll definitely try to set something up. I'm glad you're reaching out and telling me about that. I appreciate that. The fear is real in weak hands right now. That's very true. I do think we were trying to flush out a lot of the dead to all the crap coins. Market is trimming all the fat. That's very true. Good way to look at it. So yeah, to continue the TA, I really want to read the chat and talk to you guys at the same time, so it's hard to do both. Let's see. Litecoin at 63, down 6.79%. IOTA taking a really big hit, down 13.49. Definitely interesting to see that kind of fall. But to move on to Litecoin, so let's talk about Litecoin, and then we'll do whatever other TA you guys want me to do. I think it was PPT. So I want to look at Litecoin from the weekly standpoint, and then we'll kind of zoom in. So it's definitely an interesting market. I was anticipating us to go down. I truly was. I was not thinking we were going to fall this low. I guess obviously having that emotional attachment to the market isn't something I should be thinking with, but I feared that we'd fall, but we did. And I guess that's okay. It's nothing too bad to worry about. I was also, you know, figuring that we would push down if we didn't break that yellow downtrend that I said. But it's interesting that we fell below the high-low MMA that's starting on Litecoin. That was definitely interesting to see. Also, the fact that, you know, if we do pull down, you guys notice, like with Litecoin, you guys can see where we started from. We started right around here, where this pink line is. That's where we started Litecoin's run-up. You know what I mean? Like, Litecoin started at around 50. Exactly what Sherry just said, Litecoin $50. That's where we started at, you know? So if we go back down to there, I would not be surprised in the slightest. Now, this could potentially work for us in the long run. You guys have clearly seen where prices were when we were oversold in the past at 34, and you can see where we've ended up. Definitely prices moving us much higher up in the past. This was like 64 cents. Now overbought at $10, you know, that's a massive jump. That's like 50 times gain, you know what I mean? I'm trying to read what you guys are saying. Fear lasts longer, blah, 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 blah. Litecoin adds zero innovation to the space other than a different use of proof of work. It is fairly launched coin, but to me it isn't worth 62, more like 10. But if we see Litecoin go to 10, the rest of the market's going to get impacted. For sure. So when I look at this chart, guys, it's pretty obvious, or I'm pretty certain if we do pull back down, we're going to go down to that 50 line. Unfortunately, I know most of you don't want me to say that, but the 50 is where Litecoin kind of would have been, you know, if the market was never impacted in the end of 2017, early 2018, we would have continued this line, you know what I mean? We would have continued this movement upwards slowly but surely, and this jump never would have happened. It would have just been like wiped. We never would have saw any movement, and that's where we would have continued from. So it's interesting to see us pull right back down to that line as if the past major run-up never even happened. So it's definitely wild to think, and I really feel bad for those who bought at the top. My best advice for those who bought at 400, if you bought now, whatever you bought then, it would half out whatever you purchased. Or if you got double what you bought now, if you doubled what you got now, it would quarter what you bought all the way back up here. So you would definitely, your dollar cost average would be a lot lower than if you just held at 350. So definitely something to consider if you did purchase at a later time and are kind of regretting that. But it's interesting to see us go back down. Now, one thing to notice is we are entering that oversold market on the weekly, which is good and bad news. It's good because once we're that low, we're bound to go back up. It's just a matter of when we're going to go back up. So I do think very soon we should be heading up. It's just a matter of when. Probably when we touch down, we could definitely go lower, and we're really going to have to see when we break this downtrend. Usually what I see is with these downtrends, we break bullish. So I'm really anticipating a move once we break this yellow line, Just go to the daily and then read what you guys are talking about. Let me just fix this chart really quick. Let's see. What is everybody saying in the chat? What's up, everybody? What's up, guys? So we got mixing. I think bottom out right around 45.50, then see a move 50 EMA. Also hope night is going well, bro. I appreciate that, Mix. There's a difference between optimism and borderline delusional, and people that are hurting are the ones that bought every dip coming down from 400, listening to the Moon Boy screaming Litecoin 1K. I like Litecoin. ETC on Coinbase for a while, then disappeared. What happened? It was a rumor. It was never, I don't think it was ever true, but you can saw how that affected the market. Charlie Lee, Mexican Charlie Lee, which is, I've seen him on all the exchanges. I mean, all the YouTubers' channels. He says, buy the dip. Buy when they cry. People buy when they cry. Definitely true, Crypto Dread, 100%. When people are upset, that's a good buying opportunity, especially now. It's definitely a good time to be buying. Bear market have lots of false breakouts. Very true. I think it's a correction, and then we pull farther down. I drive says, so true. It's such a baby market, so be patient. That is very true. We really have not been around for that long. Do you guys think this has any correlation to do with the fact that stocks are going up? To go off on a different tangent, stock market's doing very well. NASDAQ and Dow Jones, they're doing pretty well recently. I don't know if you guys are familiar with that, with the stocks. Do you think that because money is moving into stocks, it's moving less, or money is moving out of crypto? Is there any correlation, do you guys think? Definitely let me know in the chat. I'd love to hear your opinion. Coinbase Pro. Let's see. 56 game hitting streak. No one beat that, right? I saw that too. I tried to buy ETC and it wouldn't let me, then disappeared off Coinbase. Interesting. When Litecoin hits 50, I will be buying. Crypto is a risk asset. Risk on. That is very true. Crypto is a risk asset. It's the most volatile market there is. I've been buying at these prices. Was ETC really on Coinbase today? If anybody has a picture, can you email me a picture? I'm gonna have to look that up after the chat. I'm very curious to see that was on there. I didn't know that. Yes, I've noticed when stock market is up, crypto is down most of the time. That could be something to do with the market moving down too. People are more onto the markets then, and then I guess when money moves back into crypto, we're going to see it go up pretty nice. SEC wants general public to dump crypto. Why? U.S. government had always and always will be greedy. Wall Street missed their opportunity to gain substantial profit. Buy now, not sell. Where's your buying zone? Yes, ETC was on there paired with USD. Yes, Coinbase. That's very interesting. That's very, very, very interesting. I was not anticipating that. What's up, everybody? We got 40 people in the chat. Let me know. Let me see some love in the chat. Let me know where you're from. If you're new, subscribe if you haven't. Trying to hit 5K. Giveaway at 5K. So if you're not subscribed, you're not getting in. I'm on Litecoin, Neo, Digibyte, and Stellar. ETC got listed on Coinbase. So I'm going to have to check that out. I don't think it's still on it, but that's definitely interesting. But I'll read your chat. I'll read what you're saying in the chats in a second. Let me just see what is going on. We got 45 people. What's up, everybody? I like to see all the people in the chat. Hopefully this is a good time for everybody. I try to do kind of like a late night thing. I know some people have work, so I'm trying to not get involved in that. Boston. No. Has folks fascinated when stock market stumbles, crypto will benefit. Okay. No. I don't know about ETC yet. I have mixed feelings. Same, Robert Jones. So one thing to notice on Litecoin is, though, on the daily, we are oversold, and we have not been oversold for quite some time. So it's interesting. Usually when we get oversold, you can see in the past right here, when we were oversold, we shot right back up to higher levels. So, and then we continue to move up. So I truly am anticipating a move back up, you know, a pullback. Now, is this going to be a breakout? I really can't say, but it's definitely, we're going to retrace back up. I do think we're going to pull back up very, very, very soon, tonight, if not tomorrow. You can see the candles already starting. I don't think we have, like, the potential to continue to go down in the short term right now. Obviously, we can in the long term, but for right now, I do think we're going to pull back up slightly. We're probably going to retest this line again and see if we can break through that. I'm truly anticipating a break above this line right here. Another thing is now this yellow line at 76 is going to be acting as a very strong resistance too. So we're going to see how this plays out. Definitely an interesting time to be in crypto, and I appreciate all those who are sticking through and watching us all go through the crypto market. Definitely interesting. Yeah, we're going to have to see, man. We're going to have to see. I like Litecoin. Only all other coins swing from Bitcoin. I'm not saying that. Now, looking on Bitcoin, Bitcoin is also entering that oversold territory. Hopefully you guys notice that on the daily too. You guys can see that it bottomed out right here, which I was pretty much certain it was going to. You can see the white line that I have drawn, the bottom of the Head and Shoulders formation right here. You can see where it's acting as a support level. Obviously, bouncing up slightly off of that, which is definitely nice to see. We were entering that oversold territory. I'd be very unfortunate if we did fall. It's definitely possible that we can pull back down, but I don't think we will. If we do test here, we're going to be extremely oversold, and then we're basically going to need a pull upwards. So I do think that's going to happen soon. But again, we are below the daily high-low MMA, so I do think we're going to pull back up soon to retest or go back to, you know, to neutral levels. You know, we're very, very, very oversold. There's plenty of potential for the coin to move up. Let's see, what are you guys saying? Still, they're only limit buy, though. ETC is now gone from Coinbase. Was there today for a while. Interesting. I'm ready to see a bull run. Yeah, we're all ready. That's another thing you guys have to think of. Stock market versus cryptocurrency. Stock market only has regulated hours of trading, then market closes. So at like, I don't know when it opens. Hopefully you guys are familiar with that. I think it like opens at like 9 a.m. or 8 a.m. Closes at like 4 or 5 p.m. Then it's done. Then trading stops. And then it's closed Saturday, Sunday. So there's only 5 days of money movement, you know, compared to cryptocurrency, which is a live trading platform that's always moving. You know, money is, it's timed by so much. You know, 5 days or a week in stocks is like 3 weeks in crypto because of how much extra time the market has to move. So it's definitely interesting to think that these prices could potentially be affected by stocks. It's definitely possible. Let's see. Tremor goes ETC. Dear, well, don't know what happened. Maybe DEI. Trying to think. I have no idea what that is. That's when I buy more. I'm not buying more yet. Interesting. Did you guys get a notification when I posted this live chat? I want to know if you guys kind of got like a notification or you were messaged or something like that, because I want to be able to, when I go live stream, I want all you guys to know when I'm doing it. This way we can get a bigger following in the chat. So let me know in the live chat if you guys were notified or you were recommended or something like that when I made a live stream. So everybody's saying no. So some people are saying they did receive a notice. Some people are saying no. That's interesting. Now, Daryl and C3, do you have notifications for my channel turned on? I was able to set a reminder. So a lot of people were. So that's good to know. The people who aren't, like Mexican Charlie Lee, are you? And Tremor45, do you guys have notifications turned on? Because if you don't, that's probably why you're not getting notified, I think. iDrive, do you have your notifications on? Moisture Antoine, it was on my home menu. Okay. C3 says yes, notifications are on. Wow, Mexican Charlie Lee, you're saying you have them on too and you didn't get it. That's interesting. Same with Tremor. That's very interesting. I'm not sure why it does that, because sometimes I get a notification and sometimes I don't. Who is this? I think for the people that have post notifications turned on, do you get like is this on a mobile phone or is this on your laptop? I think no mobile phones you get a message or a notification. I think on a desktop it only just appears that I'm live. It doesn't notify you. So let me know if you can clarify that in the live chat. I'd like to know. Let's see. Litecoin sucks. Okay, Mexican Charlie Lee says phone. Okay, I think I looked at the technical analysis, and most people do have it on their phone, which is interesting. So I'm going to try and hopefully gear my videos towards mobile phones and stuff like that. Also noticed not many ads pop up on the phone, which is good too. We have another subscriber, Corn Clown 7. I appreciate that, bro. Like, gang, I got a notification. I'm on my cell. Okay. I started off just holding, then got torch notifications on, using cell, didn't get, but saw home screen, etc. Still there on Coinbase Pro in UK. Interesting. It's the silver gold. Silver can easily double before gold can double. Interesting. So what do you guys think about me getting like guest speakers on post notifications? I have a lot of friends that also do cryptocurrency, and maybe they can give you their story, or if you want to see them do notifications, or even maybe us having a debate, kind of talking about, you know, playing both sides, the devil's advocate and stuff, maybe one being bullish, one being bearish, and having a debate over TA and kind of just seeing who's right, who's wrong, you know, and kind of getting a chat going, you know what I mean? Would you guys like that? Trying to read your feedback. Let's see. Cost average in. So mad with the market. iDrive still getting torched and buying more. What's up, guys? 50 people watching. Damn, can we get 60 people? That'd be pretty awesome. Smash that like button, guys. I want to get some likes on this video. Let's see how many likes we can get. 14 likes. We got 50 people watching. That doesn't sound right. That does not sound right. Do they do better TA than me? Wow, that's hurtful, Sherry. That's very hurtful. I don't think anybody does better TA than me. I think I'm the best. I just think they have a different... They might have a different approach to things, a different way of talking, a different way of looking at the market. You know what I mean? Tim Mosley said, what's up, bro? What's up, dude? Buy now at 62, 50, what's the difference? Digibyte versus Litecoin was better to buy right now. Personally, I find Litecoin a little bit better than Digibyte, but that's up to you. How many Litecoins center of a Tootsie Pop? LOL. So to touch upon that, I give my opinion on the markets. Obviously, I am not a fortune teller. Obviously, I can't, you know, predict what's going to happen in the future. I try to give my best opinion with the market and explain my personal advice. Obviously, I can't be right all the time, and neither can your weatherman. For example, I live on Long Island, and yesterday they had beautiful skies. On my iPhone, it said we were getting all sun, and then it started downpouring. Nowhere was I expecting to. I was about to go to the beach, and it started pouring out. So even the weatherman can be wrong too, but I definitely know I've done some technical analysis where it has been corrected, and I do talk about percentage. We do percentage. 80% up, 20% down, 60% up, 40% down. I talk about a device like that. This way, you know, I give you my opinion. I know a lot of you guys like to hear an outside view, and then at the end of the day, it's your decision on what you want to do. I'm just trying to help you guys out, read that market, be the voice to the cryptocurrency, and let you all hear the news. You know, a lot of you guys send me emails, and then I read the emails, and I try to talk about that on the channel and show you guys and kind of really grow the community and stress what is happening in the market. So obviously I can't be 100% right. Neither can your weatherman. Neither can a fortune teller. You know what I mean? That's kind of the point I'm getting at here. Way below MAs, even the lightning transaction, blah, blah, blah. Buy coins and hold coins for a few. They're dropping so low. Thank you. Then Litecoin's still better because, yeah, buddy, love the cryptos. Sup, everybody? Philippe, aka Flip, is in the house. What is up, bro? Thank you for joining the live stream. Let's see. Don't want to catch a lot of flack, but I had a thought today. If Bitcoin is the first gen of blockchain, and we got a second and third gen blockchain, why would anyone keep using the first gen? It's classic. Who knows? See, what they're doing is they're kind of copying Bitcoin's blockchain and then changing it up slightly and making a new coin. So it's interesting. Bear market until March. Let's see. Edward Jordan says, yo, what's up, bro? On Monday, Bitcoin has a bullish divergence. Look real good to move the powers that be pulled back money out of the market. Crypto Advocate says street cred. Yo, 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 yo. Let's see. Let's look at Ethereum now. You can see we are slightly pulling back up. We were entering that oversold market on the daily. Let's check out the 4-hour really quick. A new subscriber. I appreciate that. Let's see who's in it. Let's see who's in it. Jacob Danielson. I appreciate the sub. Let's see. Street cred. Jay Miller says, you and Crypto Love are the only ones that report real news. Most everybody else is just trying to shill their coins to make money. That's very true too. I truly try to just I want this channel to grow into more of like a news network station to kind of get you the news as fast as I can, you know, to report on if there's a market change. I want to get that news out there so all of you guys can be notified. And if there's news in regards to companies doing certain things, you know, or Charlie Lee or the creators doing certain things, I want to get that news to you guys as quickly as I can. You know, that's my job. I made that my job to let you guys all aware of what happens, because when I was looking for information in the market, I couldn't find it. You know, I went to YouTube, I couldn't find people giving us news really quick. So that was my idea. My idea was, instead of me trying to find it, why don't I be that? So that's kind of what I did, and it seems to be working, and you guys like it. So instead of me looking for info, I am the info, and this way I can share it with all you guys. That's what I thought, and it seems to be working. We're about to hit 5K subs, so it's pretty awesome. Politics Info War. There are 9... Wait, Politics Info Wars. Think DEI might delete some crypto YouTubers. I doubt they're going to do that. Mainly Charmer45, the reason I think they're not going to delete it is because we're making the money. You know, they get to put ads on our videos. We're making the money. They're not going to delete it. Maybe startup YouTubers there might delete. And I've seen them delete it too, which is definitely interesting. AP says, good plan. Who's Crypto Love? I'm going to go to his channel too. YouTube doesn't want freedom of speech. Doesn't want freedom of speech. DEI, watch it closely. Love your channel, bro. You do a kick-ass job. I appreciate that, Robert Jones. Thanks for your videos, Jacob Danielson. I appreciate that, man. Would be nice to have a phone notification when there's a big shift in prices, Rob Merrifield. I appreciate that, too. So usually, Rob Merrifield, turn on my post notifications for my channel, because when there is a huge shift, I usually make a video like within the hour of such, and I put it out there and let you all know. So that's what I'm trying to do, you know. I want to be that, you know, system for you. Eventually I'll create something or whatever, but even though prices are down, I think we're in a bull market, in my opinion. Works great. Keep it up. You're still my five. I appreciate that, Junie JD. I appreciate that. Let's see. What else? Let's see how many likes we got on the page. On the video. 31. Okay. Are you guys ready for the Crypto TV merch giveaway? 5K. We are so close. I'm going to be giving away some merchandise. I'm trying to figure out how I want to go around it. Either I want to give it to like maybe 3 people or maybe 1 person. I got to figure out what I want to do. You know, I want to see who's going to get what. You know, I might do 1 person for the 5K and give maybe 1 or 2 apparel things away, or a cup or a mug, whatever. We'll search on the market. I mean on the Streamlabs merch that I have set up, and I'll definitely be giving some of that stuff away. It'll be pretty cool. Can be set to persistent, impossible to miss. Okay, but no. So hopefully you guys like that idea, giving the merch away. I know a lot of people were into that, and I think it's a good way to give back to you guys. I think you guys will appreciate it. We see Bitcoin at 6,300 now. Yeah, Edward Jordan, spread the love. You want to give gear to MCL? Mexican Charlie Lee. Edward Jones, I wear a medium. Tim Mosley says spread the love. Mexican Charlie, you want to give gear to MCL? Robert Jones, I'm ready for the 5 away. Litecoin Summit think might make an effect on Litecoin price. It definitely could. Whether it's good or bad, we'll find out. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a random giveaway, and one of you guys are going to get merchandise. And obviously I'm going to ask you for your size. You're going to tell me what size you are. They're gilded tees. And you're going to send me, I'm going to email you. You're going to send me what size, and I'm going to send you like maybe a choice of which merchandise you want. Maybe a sweatshirt, a t-shirt. I know it's kind of hot, so probably t-shirts. And you guys can then choose which one or two you want. And all I ask in return is you take a picture wearing it and send it to me so I can shout you out on the channel. Maybe hold it in up, maybe hashtag CryptoTV, something cool, who knows, just to spread some love on the channel. But definitely going to be giving away some of that crypto. And at the same time, I'm going to be ordering crypto. So instead of me wearing all these weird, wacky shirts that I have, all the fitness shirts, I'm going to actually be wearing cryptocurrency shirts. So it'll be pretty cool, guys. It'll be pretty freaking cool. A-Peak says, me. Send an XL my way, Aetherbug. 2K Slim over there. Over here, Big Dog. 2X Slim. 5X. I'll sport it all over. So clearly you guys are into it. I'll definitely do the merch giveaway. You guys seem to be into it. Robert Jones says giveaway. I'll wear your shirt at the summit. Will you actually be there? Oh, well, that depends. September. I think when is it? When is it? The summit is in September, I believe. I was thinking about going there. I still might go there. But we should hopefully hit 5K way before the Litecoin summit. Probably the end of this month in August. So, and then I'm going to order the merch, and then I'll be giving it away. Tremor says, I work out just like you. If you work out, you better be following my personal channel. Link in the description. People like free stuff, definitely too. Do I trade stocks too? I've dabbled with it in the past. It just becomes so... I really get entangled in stuff that I do. So if I do it, I dive into it and I really get involved. So I did do it, and it was kind of taken over. It was becoming more of a priority than my schooling, so that's why I stopped. But definitely could. I definitely have, is what I meant to say. Mexican Charlie says yes. Okay. A-Peaks is high from the Cook Islands. I don't even know where that is. Sanjay76 says XXL for bro. Yes, we have all the sizes, guys. Small, medium, extra small, large, kids. We have cups. I have a pillow I made. I have, what else do I have? It's so cool. I have a poster. I have, what else do I make? What else did I make? All different shirts, Digibyte shirts, Litecoin shirts, Bitcoin shirts, all different cool stuff. Yeah, pillow, poster, mug, all cool stuff. Definitely check it out. I will be giving some of that stuff away, but you have to be subscribed if you want to get it. And I will be doing a video when we hit 5K, basically explaining how to enter the giveaway and what we're going to be doing. Sean Collins says, I use Binance and really just follow Elliott Wave and simple fundamentals. Crypto Kirby is really good. I've seen Crypto Kirby before too. Trevor says, yes, sir. Edward Jordan, understood. A-Peak, South Pacific, loaves of banks here because last to see. Thanks, iDrive. Do you ever worry about exchange locking you out of your cryptos? So it's interesting to see that, if you look at Bitcoin on the 4-hour, we are extremely oversold right now. And that's why you can see the price is slightly pulling back up short term at over 6,300 right now. Small pullback at that. So it'll be interesting, guys. It'll be interesting that we're pulling back up now. We're going to have to get out of this this oversold territory right now very soon. So we're going to see where it ends up going. Obviously, the farther away we go from the MMA, the closer and the more of a chance there is for us to go back up to it. So I do think we're going to head back up eventually to 7,300. I don't think that's out of the ballpark for now. It's definitely going to head there soon. It's just when are we going to find the bottom? That's truly the question. Let's see. Corn Clown 7 says, I started watching your videos a few weeks ago, and now I find myself normally tuning in at least once a day. You're a cool dude. Send swag my way. Litecoin fingers crossed. I appreciate that, Corn Clown 7, and I did get your subscription. I did see you subscribe to the channel on the live stream, so I appreciate that, and I'm glad that the the videos are catchy. That's my goal. I'm trying to make them something to watch, you know, like a TV episode that you can subscribe to or turn on, you know, if you wake up, you can see the video from the night before and watch. That's kind of my goal, and you get free stuff too. So who doesn't like free stuff? I appreciate that subscription, man. Hashtag Litecoin fingers crossed. Sean Collins 2XL. Tomorrow to the moon. Do you believe in an inverse head and shoulders is possible? Felipe, aka Flip, where are you seeing that? Did you see that on Crypto Capital Ventures? Is that where you saw him? Because I know he made a video on that recently. Sean Collins says, I'm a big deal. 6'8"? No way are you 6'8". You're not 6'8". It's a dead count bounce. Let's see. What do you know about Ethereum Classic being added to Coinbase? Do you have much interest in that coin? I usually stick with the blue chip coins, Litecoin, Bitcoin, Ethereum. I've heard, and a lot of you guys have been blowing up my chat telling me about Ethereum Classic being added to Coinbase. So I may make a video on that tomorrow if you guys want to see. I'll do my research tonight and maybe make a video on that tomorrow, seeing how interested you guys are. Tremor45 says, thanks for the daily vids, Hayden. I appreciate that, man. I'm going to be going to college in like a little less than 2 weeks, a week and a half. So it might be a little harder for me to make videos, but I'm going to definitely try to make a video a day. This channel is booming. We're going to get this thing up there. We're going to get it popping, you know. So I'm going to try and stick with that. Henry Pam, do you have 1,000 Litecoins? I drive. Don't trade from my phone, so not worried. What do you think about Redcoin? Interesting. Never heard of Redcoin. Actually, I have heard of Redcoin. Never did TA on that. How many people do you think? APeak, how old are you? Guess how old I am. That's what I like to say. Guess how old I am. We might be forming ascending triangle on the 1 hour Bitcoin. An ascending triangle on the 1 hour is way, 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 way too close, man. Where do you see an ascending triangle? Oh, this is Ethereum. My bad. Let's see. Obviously, Sherry, if you do not like the TA, you are more than welcome to leave the stream and go watch somebody else. You do not have to be in here. It's totally your call. Yeah, you guys got it right. I am 20. I'm not 16. That's way, way, way young. I'm in business marketing and finance. And I'm from Long Island. Yeah, well, Mexican Charlie Lee, we do got some trolls in the group. We got some perma bears, I call them. Google Litecoin. Jay Miller says 31. I'm turning 21 on February 19th. So I want to get a lot of gifts from you guys on February 19th, all right? I'm going to do a live stream on my birthday, and I better get a lot of gifts. College good, invest in your future. I appreciate that, man. I appreciate that. I'm going to be a junior, so 2 more years of college, and then I'll do something, either a finance or something. Yeah, but I'm pretty big for a 20-year-old. I'll smash a like button. Thank you. Wow, Dominican Republic. Do you think we can retire? A coconut from the Cook Islands? I have a few projects I hold. You could care less if they go to zero short term. Hell yeah. Do you know John Bellion? He's a pretty famous musician from Long Island too. Sounds familiar, but I don't think I've heard of him. I don't know. Dominican 2 weeks ago. If you guys are interested in like a little bit more about myself, you know, if you want to see, you know, kind of more than me just behind a screen, you know, all the time, because all these videos that I do, I know it's literally just my face sitting behind a microphone. But if you guys actually want to see me and learn more about me, and you have an interest in my life, I did make a personal channel that I literally just started like last week, a week and a half ago. It's in the description. I can pull it up on YouTube if you guys want to see. Well, the link is in the description to my personal channel. I know it's there. And I'm going to check it right now just to make sure. Yeah, personal channel is right there. And that basically just talks about my life, fitness, health. If you just want to know me a little bit more and you like my personality, the link is in the description. Make sure to subscribe to that too. It talks about me more. I know a lot of you guys are older, so so it's just more of my stuff, diet and stuff, just to help you guys out. I'm going to be doing unboxings. I'm going to be making a video when I move back up into my new apartment, which is really exciting. So I'm going to show you guys that too. Yo, guys, relax in the chat, man. Favorite music? It is EDM, electro dance music, EDM, and rap. I love both. Hip hop too. Nice place, Brett Clemens. Your other channel consists of me being a muscly dummy. I appreciate that, Brett Clemens. You're saying link says it does not exist? What? Okay, Sep. Mad respect for keeping up your fitness. I appreciate that, man. The link doesn't... I'm going to try and click the link right now and see what happens. Because I have it up on my phone. It should work. Somebody just donate? Who just donated? What? Yeah, that does say it doesn't work. That's so weird. So weird. I'm not sure why that's doing that. Let's see. What do you think? You guys like the Pokemon? Yes, I will do RDD in 1 second. I'll look it up. Let's just see. I don't know why that other channel is not working. Link in description. Keep saying nothing there, not working. That's what it says. Stop crying, you poop. All right, I'm gonna fix the link after this video. I have no idea why it doesn't work. I apologize for that. But if you guys want to know, it's literally just my name. It's Hayden Schreier. Hayden space Schreier. And it's right there. I don't know why it doesn't work. I'm going to fix that right after this live stream. It should be there. And then I guess we'll check it out from then on. But it should work. I don't know why that's there. I'll definitely fix that. That's so weird. I'm OCD, so I have to do that. Can you look and talk about RDD? What do you think? So let's see if RDD is even on TradingView. That's the thing. Like if it's not on TradingView, it's... Oh, it is here. Okay, cool. Usually some coins aren't on tradingview.com, so I don't really want to do them because I have to go offline and I don't really, it's too much work. I'd rather do it in another video, but the coin's here. So do you want, Sean Collins, do you want Redcoin to Bitcoin? Is that what you want? Or do you want USD? Let me know in the description. If you like EDM, go to Aruba during the EDM festival. A tropical paradise with EDM and hot Dutch chicks running around. You can't go wrong. No, I can't. Old school comps. I've been to EDC, New York. I've been to the last one in 2015. It was absolutely amazing. I've also been to Mad Decent Block Party. I'm thinking about going to Moonrise Festival, too. It's pretty cool. Anything you can. Go keto. Thank you, Aetherbug. Keto is amazing if you guys are interested in losing weight. That's definitely what I recommend checking out. Definitely check that other channel out. Check out Drop. All right, so let's see. RDD. Sean Collins says RDD. That's what we're going to do. So you're a financial advisor and a fitness advisor too? Yeah, pretty much. I wouldn't consider myself a financial advisor. I do it. I don't have a license to it. But it's just two of my passions that I've literally been studying and researching for like 3 years now. So it definitely, I just don't want to pay the money for a license or anything like that. I don't know about being able to retire with 100. Nice guess. I need to work more overtime. Like, okay, so they're talking about something else. All right, so to answer Sean Collins, who wanted me to review RDD, I apologize for going off tangent again. Let's check out what exactly this is. So we do have a bottom right here. That's the one thing I'm seeing. I'm going to draw this bottom right here. Oh, so the chart goes back even farther. Interesting. This actually helps me now. Let's see. We got to find the bottoms and we got to find the tops. So that's the first thing you want to do, Sean, is find the bottoms and find tops where we see these reversal patterns. So I see a reversal here. That's going to show us a line of support and resistance. Is there one here? Interesting. There is one here as well. The top right here. So we're going to draw that in too. Let's see. Is there any more? This one is for sure right here. That is a big one. You can see right here. The resistance right here, the support at the top. So we just did that. There we go. Is that another one right there? This bottom right here. Okay, so now that we have support levels drawn, one thing to take note of is when you're looking at RDD coin, and we're on the daily right now, you can see we are extremely oversold. Extremely, extremely oversold. Actually more oversold than all the other cryptos that we reviewed today. Well, some of them are pretty low, but RDD seems to be the lowest on the daily. So it's definitely interesting to see. Sorry, I'm reading the chat too. Let's see. Seth Shepard, what up, homies? What's up, bro? Crypto advocate, that's what she said. So now that we have these drawn on, one thing to note too, well, the two things. You guys clearly can see, what is this doing? I'm going to move up. Okay, so one thing I notice is we are below the high-low MMA, quite far below the high-low MMA. We're also pretty darn low in terms of this RSI. We're trading at 16, which is wildly low and needs to come back up. It really cannot go much lower than that. So that's two things. It could potentially be a good buying opportunity considering how low it is. The thing is, it does have the potential to go all the way down to this line right here, support. Now, I can't really read that number. There's a lot of zeros there, but this is a key support. So it's definitely possible for the coin to pull back down to this level before buying in. But we are quite low and oversold. So it does have the potential to move up. Another thing to notice is there is this downtrend, which we got to kind of figure out how we want to draw this in. Because we could draw like that. No, I'm going to take this and move it right here. Cool. So here's this descending triangle now. So that's another thing to note. Let's see, what are you guys saying? Does a daily update at the same time for every time zone, or is it different? I'll be buying a lot more Litecoin if this crashes again. Buy all the good projects. Market is 1 week ahead of now of the Dow. Do you suppose there will be Crypto TV? iDrive says, Crypto TV, love the fitness stuff too. If you feel good physically, you feel good mentally, psychologically, which could do wonders for peeps in this stressful market. Just good, positive outlook. I appreciate that, iDrive. Working out, fitness, obviously it helps you with your confidence. And, you know, I was definitely nervous going on in front of a camera and, you know, talking to you guys. But, you know, after working out and really training my self-confidence, it's become a lot easier to talk in front of, how many people are we talking in front of? In front of 40 people, and I've talked to, I make videos in front of, you guys see 5,000 views we got, so it's pretty awesome. Seth Shepard, I appreciate that, man. Yeah, we got some negativity in the chat. I'd rather not see it, but obviously, what can you get? Haters mean you're going somewhere. You know what I mean? We see those in life. Let's see, Sean College. All right, glad to know you are Sean Collins. Glad to know you are still in the chat. So you can see this downtrend right here. Pretty brutal downtrend, descending triangle, whatever you want to call it. You can see where I drew support right at the bottom right there. So it's truly a waiting game right now. We got to see whether or not we're going to break below this support level or if we're going to break above this white descending triangle. If we do break up above this downtrend right here, we should move up like this to regions over here. So I am anticipating a move like that. It's been a while. We are extremely oversold. That's one indicator. We're below the high-low MMA. We're in a descending triangle, and we have bottom support. A lot showing us to move up. So hopefully that helps answer your question, Sean Collins. Hopefully that does. It's pretty much a waiting game. Don't buy in anything now. Wait to see which line it decides to cross before putting money in. Let's see. Da-da-da-da-da. What kind of protein shakes do you recommend? Obviously, this channel is going to be mainly about cryptocurrency. That's what this channel is. You know what I mean? So I don't really want to go off topic unless all of you guys are interested in that. Otherwise, we kind of have to keep it relevant to cryptocurrency. Burn, baby, burn. Da, 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 da. It's a buyer's dream right now. Quest, mystery quest. It seems like a lot of you guys want to talk about fitness. Quest peanut butter is awesome. I also work, or I'm really good friends with the manager at my gym that I go to, LA Fitness. So I get a bunch of cool stuff from them too, and I got a box of Quest bars. I've had every single flavor of Quest. I've had all the Bang energy drinks. Those are my favorite. As per pre-workout, Optimum Nutrition is a really good brand. Isopure has no sugar, so that's a good brand to look into. Let's see. iDrive says, Crypto TV, it totally does help. Keep it up, man. Times like this, it is what we need. We learn and get better. I appreciate that, iDrive. You're definitely a positive person, and I do like to have that energy in this channel. It helps. It feels good, man. Keep the negative people out of your life. You'll thank me for it. 100% right, Quantum. 100%. Later, dudes. Gotta go. I'll see you later, Robert. No. Sorry, guy, my internet lags, so I'm not live either way. It's all good. Sean, obviously, at the end of this video, it'll be pre-recorded and uploaded to the channel, so anything you missed, you can just scroll right through and see that. Again, Sean, I appreciate the donation. I appreciate the super chat. I'm interested in what protein shake you like. Moister Antoine, follow my my personal channel, Hayden Schreier. Just type that in on the top, Hayden, search it, SCHREIER, subscribe. Clearly, I guess the link is broken in the chat for whatever reason, so I'm going to try and, fix that. I don't know why. Mexican Charlie Lee says, LA Fitness in New York. Yes, the LA Fitness in New York. Bye, Robert. We are moody lately. Just ignore it. Allow 3 questions out of topic. Okay, that sounds about right. We can do that. It seems like you guys have a lot of interest in my other hobbies, too. And that's kind of why I started my other channel, so hopefully that helps. Did anyone else see either Ether Classic temporary listed on Coinbase? 50-star jump, everyone. I saw it around lunchtime. Oh, Quantum just deleted his thing, but I was reading it. Something about someone's a vegan. Let me know. I'm going to try and pull up my link to this channel. Copy the link. Okay. Let's see. It should be here, guys. Let's see. Whatever Roadstar just commented, let's not say that. I'm gonna try and post a link. Let's see. Will it post? All right, I think it posted. I'm not even sure if that's working, but I'll fiddle with it after the live stream. So apologize for that. Do you think you're going to start making stickers for giveaways like I mentioned in the past live stream? Oh, that's a good idea, Brett. I'm going to definitely have to look at that for sure. Definitely a good idea, though. I'm definitely going to have to check that out. I have to find some company that'll be able to make stickers. But thank you for reminding me. Correction, my son eats very healthy. He's a vegan. He's 158 pounds. Bench press 300, and he can do it more than once. That's pretty awesome. I am 175 pounds, and I can bench press 365 pounds. I can bench press 315 for about like 5-6 reps. Food pyramid follow, you'll never go wrong. I disagree, Tremor. I disagree. I wholeheartedly disagree. You have to watch my other channel, my personal channel. I explain why I disagree with how the government is brainwashing people. Can you do TA on Maker MKR? I got more. Hayden, what would be cool is if everyone on your channel could come together and manipulate the market in our favor. That's very possible, man. You could fast but get no vitamins and be well, obviously when you fast, you should be having vitamins, you should be having, black coffee, water. You want to do that when you fast too. Just no food. Carbs OP. Carbs is what gets people fat, man. That's truly how it is. Carbs is what gets people fat. No. I'm going to try and pull up my channel for those of you who don't know what it is and why it's not working. I do not know, but I'm going to show you guys what you have to do. You just type in Hayden Schreier like this. Click on my name. And this is my channel for those who don't know. It's the first one. This is a picture of me. These are my videos. I don't know why the link is broken, but this is the channel for those who are wondering. So you can see my journey. It's my friend. This is the channel. These are my videos, a few videos. I kind of post one. I try to do one a week, but that's pretty much the channel that I want you guys to check out. Vitamin C for the win. Seth Shepard says, I suck at diets, dude. Well, it's not a diet, man. It's a lifestyle. So you're not restricting yourself. You're just changing your diet. So I don't know how to word that. It's a lifestyle change, man, not a diet thing. Carbs taste so good. That's the thing. It's actually proven in studies that carbohydrates is more addicting than cocaine. And I truly agree. It's an epidemic. Sugar is in absolutely everything. You're in your ketchup, in your peanut butter. They add it into everything and you don't even realize it because they know it's addicting and they know you'll keep buying their product if they add it to it. So once I cut that out, man, I lost 30 pounds. I was 200 pounds and I'm now 170 from not eating sugar. I still have my double bacon cheeseburgers and I lose weight eating double bacon cheeseburgers. It's awesome. Chicken bacon ranch. It's awesome. Brett Clemens goes, did you make your personal channel recently? Thought it would have more subs than that. Yes, Brett. I literally just made the channel like 2 weeks ago, a week ago. Hopefully we can get some more subs, but I literally just made it like 2 weeks ago. Thank you for all who told me to do so. A lot of you guys have been asking me. You all guys always ask me these questions, so I decided to make one. So hopefully that answers your question, Brett. Go Litecoin, says Roadstar. Small changes over time, better than cold turkey programs. Consistency is key. 100%, that is with everything. That's with business, that's with finance, that's with money, that's with everything. You have to be consistent if you want progress. I would agree. I've done both. I prefer cookies. There are healthier cookies that have no sugar. And I'll be having videos of me making those cookies with no sugar that you'll lose weight on. Sorry, I'm trying to fix my shoe. Let's see. We've done an hour live stream. I think we're going to have to go off soon. Kind of doing this for quite a bit. Let's see, what else? 70 subs isn't bad for a week. Yeah, I've literally only had it for like a week or two. It really was not long. And you can see, like, I'm slowly trying to progress with that channel, man. 70 sub. I'm not really into fitness and diet, but I subbed because you deserve it. I appreciate that, man. I'm going to do a lot of things. It's not just, hopefully you read the banner. It's not just fitness and diet. A lot of it will be. But I'm also doing unboxing videos of cool stuff that I get. I'm doing a video of when I move to my new apartment. I'm showing you guys that. I'm going to show you my new cryptocurrency setup that I have for making these videos for you guys. It's a lot of work, and I want to make those videos, time lapses, to basically show you what goes into YouTube. You know what I mean? Jordan G says, shave your head. Thank you. Eat no wheat. Stummer, we getting a lot of... Yeah, tapped. I do have a lot of meat, believe it or not. I wanted to everyone. Good night, everyone. Bye, Seth Shepard. What up, what up? John Cardoza just joins. Glad to see you back on your feet. I'll definitely keep up with it, man. Thank you. Man, now I feel like a teacher talking so much. It definitely gets you parched. I might have to end the live stream soon. I'm losing my voice. I'm losing. Oh, it's coming dry. But I'm glad that we have a community we built up. Pretty awesome. Pretty awesome. 100% right, Roadstar. Sugar is poison. 100% right. Peoples, and have an awesome evening. This is just part of the ride. 100% right, man. All right, guys. I think if that's it, I'm gonna have to end the live stream. I appreciate Sean for donating for the super chat. Again, before I go, please make sure to leave a giant thumbs up on the video if you liked the content and you want to see more. Another thing is we are doing a giveaway at 5,000 subscribers. So if you want to be entered in that, you have to be subscribed to the channel. So make sure to subscribe. I will be checking. Be good, peoples. Have an awesome evening. Let's see, 210, all muscle before, now 36. I'm 181, old natural, getting old, but looking young. Yo, man, if you work out, it don't matter what age you are. You will look young. I like watching your videos, but I wish you could edit out those moments where you mess up while speaking. Moister Antoine. I definitely can, and I probably will. It's just more time consuming, but I definitely can. Sometimes when you're speaking so much, you kind of tongue twist your words, but Brett, LOL. I'll see you all later, guys. Deuces. Say your last questions, last comments, and I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video. Check out the my new channel below. I'm gonna fix the link after this live stream right now.